yun nga pala mga guys, maglalaro tayo ng shawarma snack. Yung mapag-upload sa Jael Gaming channel, YT ko kaya mag-upload tayo kay Jack sa Jael Gaming. Okay, yan na! Let's go! Bago pala magsimula itong video na to, ay nagsimula na. Huwag niyo munang kalimutan mag-subscribe, yun lang. Okay. Pero tara na, let's go. Hindi mo na lang ulit
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Great! Now open the window. Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
11 a.m. Wala, ito na naman first customer ko kung magjawa.
And here we are at the shawarma kiosk trying to place an order. Hopefully this place has some good reviews.
Yeah, because last time you gave someone 5 stars and the chicken was literally still moving.
iPhone 17.
Okay, that's called flavor rate. Let's order. Perfect 2 shawarmas, please.
Tagal.
Would you like something to drink? 2 sodas.
And make mine extra garlic sauce.
Okay.
That will be 400. With every penny if we survive.
Ano? Ano mali ka na? Ayan. Try nga natin naman. Mali. Hindi dapat yung aming ito. Ano? Wala ah. Ang tao. Ito. Ito. Wait lang pa ah. Sauce and cheese, please. And salad. Wait lang po sir, kuha ako ng mita. Tagal. Tagal ah. Bentahan ka ba ito guys? Malakas ang pagpunta dito eh. Pero sige. Roll natin. Sige. Ay, may nakalimutan pa pala ako. Ano? Ay, soda. Oh, soda. Here.
That's unfortunate.
You could have been one of us.
You could have shared everything.
Every thought.
Every feeling.
But not the possibility.
One day,